everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a slime review video. I know, it's so rare for me to do slime reviews, like what? If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. I want to hit 900,000 so bad on this channel. I'm currently having 2 giveaways, super exciting actually. If you want to win slime supplies and or back to school supplies, the rules are subscribe to this channel, Nicole Jacklyn, and my vlog channel, Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs, and go follow me on both of my Instagrams, at Nicole Jacklyn and at Slime by Jacklyn, to be entered to win. Giveaway ends on July 25th. It's international. Once you have entered, comment down below your name, your email, and where you are from, and I'll count you guys as entered. And yeah, guys, give this video to 7,000 thumbs up for more review videos of slime. I love reviewing slime. It's so much fun. And subscribe down below if you haven't already. It's part of the giveaway rules. Win some free stuff. But let's hop into the video. Lego. This first slime package is from Rosebud Slimes, and these slimes were so amazing, and included was a full list of all the slimes in this package, and their Instagram is rose.bud.slimes on Instagram, and their shop is all linked down below. But this first slime is a super nice slime. It is literally so great. I love how this feels. The texture is amazing. Has like a clay base to it in a way. And I don't know, this slime was just so holdable, and considering how hot it is outside right now, I was so surprised at how this arrived at my apartment. It was just so good and satisfying. I believe this slime is called Rosebud Cereal. I'm pretty sure it has a very nice rose scent to it. Rose is a very soothing scent in my opinion, so it was so nice to have that scent to this slime. Next up, we have a slime called Rosebud Cereal Milk, and this slime was so nice. It was kind of like a nice jiggly slime, and I like how it was so glossy and very clicky to play with and very holdable also. I think my hands were getting hot in this part because they kept sticking to my hands, but the slime wasn't sticky, it was just my hands were hot. So before you comment down below, yes, I activated it, don't come at me, it was amazing. This next slime is a cloud dough slime, and I love these cloud slimes. I think they're cloud slimes, not cloud dough. It's kind of like a mixture of cloud dough, more on the cloud slime, the actual cloud dough slime. But I do love how it included these glitters inside of it. It was just such a cool effect, and it was so cool to watch them get mixed in as I play with it more. I didn't find this slime to fall a lot. However, that could just be, you know, how I'm doing it, but I'm pretty sure, which is honestly totally fine. I don't mind if it doesn't fall a lot. I don't need it to. I love cloud doughs more than anything. But yeah, overall, such a nice slime, and I could not stop playing with this slime. This clip went on for like 5 minutes. I had to cut like half of it out. The next slime is very similar to the last one, but it is blue, of course, and it has these really cute little charms inside of it. It has little seashells and just very like sea mermaid feeling kind of stuff. I love cloud slimes. Like I just said a minute ago, they're so much fun to make, and they are so fun to play with. The sound that they make and the thin that they are, they're just so great. But yeah, once again, we have some loose glitter on top. Kind of messy, but honestly, it's so satisfying, and for making a slime review video or like an Instagram video or just playing with the slime in general, it's so much fun to mix in. Such a cool touch, and yeah, definitely more of a cloud dough slime, which is totally fine. I love cloud doughs. I kind of prefer cloud doughs more than cloud slimes. They're just more dense and easier to hold onto, and they click so well. So I love this slime so much. And next up, from Slime OG, this was like, can I just like fully say, like, Slime OG has such unique slimes that I just could never put words to. Just like the sounds of this slime are unreal. It is so freaking cute. I cannot get over how glossy and how thick these slimes always are. I honestly am never disappointed in buying slime from her. in her whole shop. It's just absolutely incredible. This one just smelled so delicious, like almost like wildberry Pop-Tarts, I want to call it. It smelled so amazing. It was so holdable, and honestly, just watching this clip right now, I want to go touch this slime one more time. Like, BRB, it was so great. The next slime we have is a cloud dough slime. This slime smells like cookies and cream, and it smells so good. And my one thing about cloud slimes is they really shouldn't be in these like tube containers. They should be more in a flat container. Usually that like 8 ounces come in, because they are so hard to get out of the containers. But honestly, once it was out of the container and I played with it a little bit, it was totally fine. But it is hard to get out at first, especially with like long nails. It is difficult. But honestly, that does not even compare to the slimes. It was so amazing. The cloud dough texture is my favorite. As y'all know by now, I have said it like 4 times just in this video. This one does fall super nicely, and it's just like looks so creamy and nice on camera, and that is definitely how it feels like in real life. It's creamy and a very nice cloud dough. Looks very IRL, looks very real life, and I just think it is so satisfying to watch. This next slime is, I believe it's like a pistachio slime. It's inspired by pistachio and like green pistachio, something like that. And this slime was so nice. Once again, I took it out of the tube like honestly all at once. It was so freaking clicky, so nice. There was definitely some kind of clay in there holding it together. Guys, comment down below, let me know, clue me in, is there other clays beside Daiso clay and Model Magic, because it is so nice. And I know that you can add like other things in slime to make it appear it's very thick and stuff, but this just feels like a different kind of clay. And there has to be other clay or a recipe. Comment down below. I would love to know. Like, I'm dying to know right now. Next up, we have this really fun micro-foamy kind of slime, and it was just so crunchy, and I don't know, I just loved how this slime was. Kind of like very like, you know, similar, like just simple slime, but I do love a nice foam. I love how they're so crunchy once you like prep them like this and you put them into a slime swirl and you like squish them. They are literally so nice and just so ASMR. I love them. This last slime from her is a very like kawaii slime, and this slime definitely had some Daiso clay and some instant snow inside of it. I can just tell by the way it moved, and it was just so satisfying to play with this slime. I'm obsessed with the Java chip chunks so much. I think they are so cool. I love them. They're just so fun to play with. Overall, such a nice slime. I could say nothing bad about both Rosebud Slimes and Slime OG. They are just such nice slimes, and they had amazing slime packages. I purchased all the slimes from Slime OG, and I was sent a package from Rosebud Slimes. So yeah, love them so much. If I should do more review videos of slime shops, comment down below who I should review next, and subscribe to my channel. Help me hit 900,000. I would love to hit a new milestone, you guys. That's like my biggest goal right now, is to hit 900K on this channel. Subscribe down below. I'm entering. You should go enter both of my giveaways. Subscribe to this channel and my vlog channel, and follow me on both of my Instagrams, at nicholejacklyn and at slimebyjacklyn, to be entered into both of my giveaways. The giveaway ends on July 25th. And yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. You are literally amazing, and I will see you guys with a new video very soon. Bye!